We're trying to figure out if K is positive. So look at clue 1. K is between -2 and 3 on the number line. So -2 and 3 is between, so you don't include -2 and 3. We're talking about all of these numbers. So that could be -1, or it could be -1.5. It doesn't say K is an integer. Or it could be a 1 or 2. So just depends on where it is. If it's less than 0, it's negative, and greater than 0 up to 3, it's going to be positive. So based on this interval, sometimes K is negative, sometimes K is positive. So that clue does not work all the time. Look at clue 2, between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2. We look at all those numbers in between 1 and 2, all those fractions, they're always positive. That always works. And remember, when you look at clue 2, you forgot about clue 1. Okay, you're only reading clue 2. And if K is between 1 and 2, all that's positive, that means your answer is B. You're done.